Hey guys, I'm back. I had just done a project and a separate video on cleaning out the trap in this bathroom sink. My upstairs bathroom was doing the same thing where my kids use that bathroom, and when I removed the trap there was some stuff, but it was still going down pretty slow. So I went ahead and took out the drain plug piece, and that had a lot of stuff in it, stuck to it, around it. That seemed to solve the problem upstairs. So I was going to do the same thing here. So what I wanted to do is just show you guys how I did it. So this is a Kohler faucet. Let's get the light here a little better. So this is the piece that I just cleaned out. That did help. But the part that I want to take off is this right here. So this will allow me to take out the drain piece, so the piece that makes your plug go up and down. So you just pull that right out. All right, we can just set that, let it hang, no problem. And then we'll come back up here. And I'll just set my little stand up so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna get a needle nose pliers. It's the only tool you really need. And just gently pull it out. Now, there isn't anything on this, but if you look down in the drain, there's still a big hairball. I'll see if I can get my light that was stuck to that. So I'm gonna grab the light and see if I can show you. You'll just have to believe me. There is a very sizable hair clog still in there, which I think is still causing my problem. So I'm gonna quick remove that. I'll show you what it looks like and then we'll put it back together. Okay, so I pulled this guy out and as I said, there was a big chunk of hair stuck in the drain, so I ended up just taking the trap back off, which you can see my other video on how to do. And you can see what came out. That was what was in there still, even after cleaning the trap out. If you got a pipe cleaner, that would have worked probably the best. I had a metal coat hanger, but I was able to get it out. So now, what I want to do first is I want to get this guy right here back in sorry for the poor camera work, back into here. And so I won't be able to videotape this while I'm doing it because I need my hands. But this piece, when it pushes into this opening and you put it in, it needs to line up with this hole at the bottom. So when this goes down, you want to make sure you put it so it is facing the back of the sink, so that when you drop it down in there, fit that down, you let it sit. And what I did is I just have my pliers here and then I reach my arm down and put it in. You might need to lift up just 1 or 2 millimeters, either way, and you just do that until it fits into the hole. I'll come back once I have that fit in there. Okay, so I was able to get it in there. I actually had to lift up on this guy quite a bit. So when you drop it all the way down there, I lifted it up maybe an inch and a half before I could get this piece back here, which I'll move some of this stuff out of the way so you can see. So that is now in. So now what I want to do is get this piece and tighten it down. So it's just screw it on there. Nothing too complicated there. Screw it on hand tight. And that's it. So when you up, it moves up and down. And of course this just goes back in. So I'm gonna put the trap back on and put this back on and then I'm done. All right, hope this helped you. If you have any questions, just drop a comment, but thanks for watching.